Top 10 Turkish food. Let's see. Come on. Ciorbă de Istanbul. Number 10. Really good. Let's see. Birmania. Number 7. Birmania really good also. Lachaun number 9. Really good. Sârmă number 8. Let's see. Carnaval 6. Carnaval also good. Yes. Bangladesh Akar 5. Adana Kapak number 4. Let's see. Postravaț 3. Çok güzel 2. And number 1 the best Turkish food is cafea.